Okay, traders, now we are going to be looking at some granddaddies of the market, guys. Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys, certainly very important to take a look at, because I think that majors will define the next direction for the market, guys. As market is really hairwired right now, it's completely directionless, to be honest with you. As you can see, the chop is completely happening across most of the assets. It's pretty difficult to go for a single direction, guys. So what to do when these things happen? You take a look at your granddaddies, you take a look at your landlords, which is unfortunately Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. It's gonna be like that. So guys, you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that like, go for that subscribe, share, hit that bell icon, as well as this is a time sensitive information, this video precisely. All right, so guys, let's jump on to the BTC price action. As I've been trading these ranges ever since we were somewhere here, guys. Ever since I actually started getting really active on Cryptoducator YouTube, I had drawn these lines, and well, I have drawn these magical lines. Well, doesn't matter, because I think because most of the chop is happening certainly between these areas, right? Between these price points, right? You can see how beautifully this one was working out. This range was working out right here. You can go ahead and you can screenshot these important levels, as this one right here is your current significant level, guys. The 55k level is very important. You do start breaking below it on a daily or a 12-hour closing basis, you would be looking at entire market wide chops to the downside, to be honest with you. That is what is going to happen if Bitcoin loses out on the 50k, until we come and test these price points at 51.5k, guys. Now this has moved up significantly. When we were rejecting these price points at 62k, this one was hovering around 50k, guys. The BTC, the 4-hour 200 simple moving average on BTC price action, guys, as this one has been your perfect trend bearer, trend decider, trend determiner, whatnot you want to call this one, as this is just one single yellow line guiding your entire trend, starting from fucking 10k, guys, currently at BTC doing things. Are you rich yet? Are you I'm not. I'm not, to be honest with you, guys. It's never enough. It's never enough to accumulate as much as cryptocurrencies as you want. It's never enough. With all the haywire situation right here in the market, guys, just focus on BTC and zoom the fuck out, because I think this is going to be a trend decider, as we are expanding on the volatility as well, guys. This is coming from nothing. Volatility expansion is coming from nothing, which suggests that any move that happens to the downside or to the upside is going to be a prolonged one, guys. Now is going to be a prolonged one. If we break below 51 52k, guys, that means that we are going to be having volatility expansion as well on these levels, right? That means that you could further expand to the downside on the price action. Now, I do not intend to make any bearish videos like I say on every single bearish video that I make. But guys, this looks to me like market certainly wants to consolidate for even a further amount of time, because the 12-hour has triple bearish divergence drives, guys, and you are confirming this one as your local high as well, guys. You can see triple bearish divergence coming in from all the way from $40,000 levels, guys. This one is really struggling. The relative strength index is really struggling. Now, guys, this does not mean that it's a death sentence. That this does not mean that Bitcoin is simply going to tank to zero from these price points. No, things do not happen like that. Things do take a lot of time to extrapolate themselves. And guys, you do want to break some key levels for that to happen, as I am talking about this price point right here. This is the key zone, guys. The 54, basically wherever we are trending right now, is a very, very important zone on BTC. Have a close look on this level for the coming days as well. All right, you do reject these price points right here. There's not much stopping all the way coming in at 51.7k, guys. And if you do break below these price points right here, you're going to be testing the range lows of this chop, this price chop right here. But that is going to be a very far-fetched opinion, to be honest with you. And if I do try to make a regression line right here, we're coming pretty close to it, to be honest with you. And guys, I think the stimulus check, it hit a lot of people's bank today. So well, this is supposed to moon, right? I mean, BTC is supposed to moon from these price points, right? I mean, could happen. This is a fucking crazy market. Last time the stimulus checks, they hit people's bank, or somewhere around here, I guess. I mean, around the 9k zone. I don't know, guys. It was either this point or this point right here. As soon as the fucking checks hit their banks, Bitcoin just fucking flew to the moon, guys. At that, today is the day, I guess. So are we going to look at some situation is different. Situation is certainly different, guys. We are 10x above these price points. All right, situation is certainly different. Lot of institutions, lot of big money, lot of hedge funds have also started showing some conservative behavior, guys. Let's be very honest. Now this has gone 10x to the upside. What stops you from taking profit? I do not know. If it just keeps on going to the upside, guys, I'm going to be convinced that Bitcoin is in a bubble. it just it needs a correction, guys. It needs a correction. Now this is the level-headed technical analyst speaking out of experience, to be honest with you. So well, until you are closing 12-hour candles below this price point right here at 58k, there's no need to FOMO. There's no need to hurry on any crypto asset, to be honest with you guys. Now, what is happening is the money is just flowing in between assets in the market. There's no new capital, guys. The capital entering the space happens with Bitcoin price action going to the upside 90% of the times. Right now, we are under a consolidation phase. Now, guys, I'm going to be checking out some BTC market capital price action as well for you. It's just similar, right? It's just, I mean, of course, like, this is no rocket science. It's going to be exactly as the price action, and you certainly have bearish divergence on this one as well on the macro, not the macro, but the 12-hour time frame is certainly significant, right? So okay, you have three drives of bearish divergence on daily price action as well. Confirm this. Now, how do you confirm? How do you want to confirm this one right here? You want to look at some volume increase, and you want to break down below the 21 simple, right? Now this is aligning with the 1 trillion market capital right here on BTC. This is supposed to be as your macro support, guys. This is very, very important, guys. I'm gonna set up an alert myself as well. Fuck. Okay. I just got haywired here. All right. If we are losing these price points right here, not price points, if we're losing the market capital below the $1 trillion mark on BTC, guys, we are going to be looking at some further consolidation, move to the downside, probably testing this diamond trending line. Are we? Yeah, we are here. We are testing this one right here. You fell quite short of this area right here at 1.25 trillion dollar market capital on BTC. Now this is your key inflection point, guys. There are some certain events in the market that happens once in a blue moon. Now this is one of the once in a blue moon event. Either this is gonna bounce crazy from this price point right here, or if you break this daily trend to the downside, this is gonna tank massively, at least test the 838 850-ish kind of zones for the entire market capital on Bitcoin, and then we can decide, guys. I do believe this is going to be aligning with 42k price points on BTC. Could that be aligning with the 21 simple moving average on the weekly time frame? Let's just find that out as well, guys. I hope you're clear with this one as well, as this is pretty important, guys. You do take this level as well to the upside. Then you can talk about some further immediate continuation on BTC and the entire crypto market as well. But guys, I think that we are quite overextended, to be honest with you. We do need some correction. This is not a bearish video, but this is just a level-headed analysis. And guys, open your fucking eyes. We are 10x above the capitulation, guys. Not even 10x, guys, 15x above the capitulation which happened during last year, COVID, guys. 1 year, you go ahead with a 1200% move to the upside without any fucking correction, guys. Can't you see there's something wrong? I mean, okay, this can simply head towards 100k, 200k, guys. Bubbles, guys, any bubble formulation now. I remember this feeling back when I was having back when we were having the 2017 bull market in Bitcoin, guys. Holy fucking crap, guys. 20k run was unbelievable, guys. I mean, madness. So, well, if I do want to reference that point in time, it could happen again. We can simply go on to the upside. But guys, in the short time frame, the divergence are kind of real. All right, the divergence are looking real. Okay, BTC against USDT back again, as let's see where our divergence breakdown targets are going to be at, guys. I'm going to be checking out the weekly as well, as the 21 simple on the weekly is the most significant moving average in the guys, look at this trend. I mean, this is flagging out again on a weekly schedule. This wants to go to the upside, guys. There's no stopping Bitcoin. Nope. You cannot stop Bitcoin. This is certainly looking nice. I mean, just right off, if I just look at the price action right here, this wants to continue, guys. Although you can argue that this is a wedge as well. Alright, this is a wedge. So bears are looking at this price action like a wedge. Bulls are looking at this price action like yet another flag, which is going to break out towards 75k. To be honest with you, there's not much stopping if we take this level at 62k, guys. Right? Okay, the 21 simple on the 3-day time frame. Now, guys, do we have some damages on the weekly? Yeah, you do. I mean, look, this is All right, you do have some confirmed divergence, some bearish divergence between this point and this point, but that does not mean it's gonna just simply capitulate to the downside. It's not happen like that. You're above the 60 ticker on weekly. You're at the buy zone, guys. You're still above the buy zone. You lose the 60, that is when your catastrophic moves to the downside happen, like this one right here, this one right here, guys. Let's check this. Let's just refer this from the history at this. This one was a breakdown below the 60 and the weekly 21 as well, and this one was a breakdown below the 60 right here, and you had the macro top on BTC. I'll be checking out some BLX price action as well, but before that, I think RSI right here is just constructive. It is not like, it's not a death sentence right here. There's no volume, guys, in the weekly as of now. Most of the price action will happen in the small time frames, which will extrapolate into higher time frames. Most of the interesting stuff will happen on the daily and the 12-hour time frame, guys. Watch out for those levels as well. All right, so the 21 simple on weekly is coming in at 37k, right? Where is that aligning with? It's aligning with the massive liquid zone right here, guys. Let me put that VPVR as well for you guys, the visible range volume profile. Okay, let me just rectify this one for you guys. I think I'm gonna go full on maxed out, blown out on this data right here, and the visibility is complete. Okay, so you do see that we do have a void, we have a vortex right here. We have a chamber of secrets. We have a chamber right here which is highly liquid, guys. So if you do come back here at 45k with any kind of momentous move to the downside, guys, there is no stopping. All the way at 37k, guys. There's no volume to support the price action here. It's just a vortex, alright? It's just a vortex, and we are dealing with a fucking blue sky breakout, so things can be extremely fucking volatile. Be extremely fucking cautious. Smash that like, smash everything, smash that screen, guys. Just pardon my what do I say? What is this? This is certainly bipolarity, as my brother likes to call it. I'm quite a bipolar person, guys. Although I am a sober as fuck person, I do not consume anything. All right, I don't consume any shit, right? Got to stay sharp between your ears without the help of any substance. All right, weekly schedule, you have your support right here at 37k. You do break below this point right here, then catastrophic move, but I don't think it's gonna happen, guys. This is your ultimate bull market support right here. A lot of capital will enter the Bitcoin markets at these price points if you do come down right here. This is certainly a far-fetched opinion. If you do want to come back right here, there are certainly a lot of levels to be taken care of, guys, and you can trade these ranges, guys. This is going to be an extremely profitable in time, right? Capitalize on that. Accumulate more BTC. All right, any down move or any up move, you profit, you accumulate more BTC, guys. This is how you do it. This is a trader focused channel. All right, you want to be looking at certain things as opportunities, right? I mean, long or short, opportunities are infinite in the market. No need to FOMO. Well, you can certainly talk about FOMOing into BTC price action if you close any weekly candle over 62k, but well, do not FOMO. even then, don't FOMO, guys, as I do think most of the risk reward opportunity on BTC has gone, guys. Had you not trusted BTC on these price points right here, what are you doing trusting BTC here, guys? This is one question you have to ask yourself, right? You have to ask that. And what do I have right here? Well, why do I have it here? I don't even know. Okay, I'm simply gonna extend this one right here, and I'm gonna take this entire area as your macro continuation structure on Fibonacci areas as well, guys. The 314 was tested around 60k zones right here. Now this is not significant on the macro Fibonacci areas of interest as well. 2618 is certainly significant, as you did break to the upside with the utmost conviction on this one. If you did 1.618 and 2.618, certainly a vortex chamber as well, as this was a good trade. You got accumulated right here at 30k. You went all the way at 47, 45k, guys. This was a good looking trade as well. What are you looking at right here now? There's not much to be honest with you, there's not much stopping towards towards 73k, guys. I mean, this is not just from a Fibonacci perspective, just from a macro perspective, just charting out Fibonacci numbers for you guys on this entire price action structure right here. There's not much stopping all the way. Stopping Bitcoin for going in at 7.618 also, to be honest with you, guys. These are just far-fetched opinions, but I was talking. Let me get back into the point. As the risk to reward opportunity for BTC is just 100%, guys. Fucking shitcoins in Binance are doing 100% in one single hour, guys. So you see, the risk to reward opportunity is finally shifting. Basically, big money is consolidating, right? Big money is entering the space as well for 100% move to the upside, because big money can't enter these shitcoins, right? How will they enter? Just let's just consider self key, right? Key, like why would big money enter the key BTC market, guys? That would not make any sense. Like, would they enter those markets with $1 billion? They're gonna cause some crazy verticality in the price action, and well, I think that is not gonna happen, guys. So big money certainly wanting to consolidate on these levels, whereas the retail crowd and any profit which came out of these Bitcoin longs right here is jumping into the altcoin market, right? Altcoin market is going to be gaining immense amount of dominance in the coming days and the week, guys. There's going to be a lot of opportunities in the altcoin market, guys. A lot of things to come, a lot of crazy things to come. Now this video is going to be certainly a long one. If you do like the content, if you're still here, guys, smash that like, guys. I'm going to be really appreciating. I'm going to appreciate you. I really do appreciate you if you're still here listening to my blabber, guys. This is just experience. I speak from experience. I mean, I've been here, I was here, I was fucking everywhere, guys. But look, it's my duty to make this community a very sophisticated one. And look, guys, there are a lot of mistakes that I committed all throughout my trading career, all throughout the time while I was trading fucking Bitcoin in all of these ranges, guys. I do not want you to repeat those same mistakes and come out profitable trading this one, as this market is quite giving. If you're giving away to the if you're giving your money away to the market, then guys, there's something really wrong about your trading. You need to talk about it, guys. We need to have a word about it then. All right, so BTC on the macro is certainly fine. Now the weekly level, guys, it's going to be at 38k if you come to the downside. The 3-day schedule certainly looking nice as well, and do keep an eye on this wedge, guys. This is a fucking bullish piece of price action. I love it. In the first glance, this is a massive, guys, this is a single leg up. You can simply argue this is a single leg up move, right? Okay, you want me to draw some Fibonacci into this one, as this looks to me like a third wave to the upside, guys. Let me just get rid of everything. Should I remove everything? Everything's gone. I'm not going to save this one or I'll just simply lose out on all those analysis. Anyways, Elliott impulse wave 1 to 5. Let's just consider this one as A, B. No. Corrective wave, ABC. Where are you? I can't see, man. Okay. A, B, and C. If this was a corrective ABC wave and your new wave formulation was coming from this bottom right here, and this was your first wave, second wave right here, guys, yep, this is the third wave right here, then you can talk about some correction to the fourth. Guys, the fourth wave is the bastards of all the waves. All right, I'll talk about the fourth wave pretty soon, but this is what you could be looking at. Okay, this is just a very vague kind of formulation right here, guys. I'm going to take this one right here at the weekly support, around 36k, and this is what you could be dealing with if this is a high, if this is an interim top, right? You do have 3 bear, guys. You do have all the signs for a top to occur, all right, in the mid time frame, right? There is not much stopping for you to test all of these levels at 36k, guys. So you could certainly consolidate for a very long time, get reaccumulated in these price points right here. Then you can talk about 120k Bitcoin, as if this cycle is a double pump bull market cycle, your ultimate targets are going to be around 300k, which will happen somewhere around 2024, 2023, I guess. But I do expect when you reach the 120k zones, guys, there's going to be a massive consolidation happening, guys. I think a lot of facts are aligned to the fact that 120k is going to be your mid to high time frame top, and then you can consolidate between 75k, 100k, then get reaccumulated for almost a year. Then you can talk about some further upside thrust to 300k per BTC, which is going to be 100x from these points right here. Okay. The fourth wave is certainly the most ugliest wave of all time, guys. So if we are entering the fourth wave, guys, do not trade Bitcoin markets. Do not trade BTC markets. Do not look too long. You'll just end up losing money. You'll just end up scratching your head, because it's going to be wreckage. It's going to be massive sideways chop, guys. You want to be certainly staying away from this one. This is what you want to be looking at. This is what you want to be longing to, guys. Look at the beauty of this trend right here. You long right here, you never really your trend is still running, guys. I mean, this is going to be long at. Okay, you if you get towards a fourth wave consolidation, guys, stay the fuck away from longing or shorting BTC. To be honest with you, just accumulate BTC from different altcoins. That would be better play in my opinion. All right, this comes from experience, I guess. All right, so guys, I think this has been it about BTC. Let's jump on to Ethereum, as Ethereum is. This is 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's consolidating above the 200 symbol on 4-hour time frame, guys. This reminds me of a price action, coming from these price points. When we were consolidating, we got massively rejected from $500 levels, but we got reaccumulated in these price points above the 200 simple on 4-hour time frames. And then you went for your next leg up. You never really came down. You never really back tested the 200 simple all the way at these price points at $1,600 Ethereum, guys. This was a single leg up move of a 300%. Of 300%, guys. Crazy moves on the Ethereum as well. All right, so Ethereum has also done a lot, guys. This one needs to rest, but if you're trending above the 200 simple on the 4-hour time frame, there is no need for rest. There is just, guys, there's gonna be unfortunately no break, no stop, and this is gonna continue further down. Continue further to the upside, guys. And I was talking about this price point being a swing failure. This is still a swing failure. This until you do not take these price points at 1900, guys. I was targeting 1900 from these price points right here, and we did retest this one. Profits were taken. You are getting reaccumulated right here. It is very much likely that we start going to the upside, and if you are taking these highs right here down on 4-hour or 12-hour closing schedule on Ethereum, then most of the altcoin market is going to be extremely exuberant and extremely bullish, as that is going to drive insane amount of confidence to altcoin markets. As Bitcoin goes into consolidation, most of the money will flow into all the altcoins, guys, and Ethereum pairs will also have a lot of love. They'll get a lot of love. It's just rotation takes place like that, guys. You do take this one out at 1930, you are in for a treat. You'll take this all-time high out as well if you don't take this. What's stopping Ethereum, guys? All the updates are out. Ethereum 2 will come out in, well, 2 years. Not 2 years anymore. I guess 1.5 years or so, something like that. But guys, EIP 1559, certainly one of the deflationary update for Ethereum. Very interesting things for Ethereum happening. Very interesting. So macro fundamentals, everything is certainly bullish, but the fair evaluation, guys, there is a website called coinfairvalue.com. Head on to that website. They'll give you all the metrics as to how they determine the fair value of these assets, guys. You will not fucking believe the fair valuation of Bitcoin is at 12k. The fair evaluation of Ethereum is somewhere around $700, guys. Guys, I have to do a deep dive on how they come up with those figures, but certainly interesting things to look at, guys. If you do take this one out right here, you're going to be trending towards the upside. As you have already guessed, this is a pretty long and a fatiguing video, but guys, this is a pretty comprehensive outlook and analysis, guys. What I'm doing right here is I am sharing my perspective, my mindset. I am just trying to tell you guys that, you know, look, I was there here in the market. Like, I've played these moves right here, guys. If you're new to the space right here, if you are joining in the crypto markets when Bitcoin is above 50k, guys, just you have to listen to few things very carefully, because it's pretty easy to lose money in these markets. It's damn simple. It's easier to make money in these crazy crypto market, guys. So be very conservative with your capital on these levels on Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well, as market is completely exuberant, guys. So you do take these levels out. There's not much stopping Ethereum to trend towards the upside. And as far as you're minting, guys, you can start managing your risks on Ethereum around 1700 levels. Close below 1700, there is certainly going to be a retest of 1500 levels, guys. This is a very significant price point right here. You lose out on this one, there is not much stopping Ethereum for coming in all the way at $1,500, guys. This is how it works, right? This is how it works. Magnets. Price ranges are simple magnets, right? The daily 21 simple, however, creating pin bars right here. But guys, making pin bars is not going to mean jack shit, guys. You want to have follow through. You want to say today's candle close above 1800, 1830, then you can talk about this pin bar being legit. And then if you do have 2 pin bars in a row, the vehicle will start moving very fast, guys, towards towards 2k, and ultimately testing this trend line right here at 2800, guys. 2800 Ethereum, 3000 Ethereum, certainly on the cards. But how's the RSI? Now RSI is a big bad bloody bastard for you guys right here, as this is below, the daily is below the 60, guys. Daily is below the 60. It's just it tells you that there is no FOMO in Ethereum, guys. Every single time why do these fucking massive candles come? It is because the RSI stays above the 60, guys. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple. I hope you have been watching this video. You are here since the starting, because here comes the gem of the information, guys. You FOMO when the RSI is above 60. You do not FOMO when the RSI is below 60. It's just every single time. Alright, every fucking time, guys. You stay above 60, you trend towards the upside, right? This one, massive move to the upside. Guys, we can draw so many conclusions from history, guys. Every single time you start trending above the 60, you're going to be certainly having massive moves. And in context to this price action right here and where Bitcoin is at, guys, you go above 60 again, there's going to be certainly crazy amount of price action drive to the upside. It's as simple as that. All right, on the daily schedule. So all you need to trade crypto is patience. Because guys, I am sitting here, I'm giving you the levels. Everybody goddamn knows the levels. Everybody knows support, resistance. Fucking everybody knows where 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 the price is probably gonna get rejected or something like that. But guys, how are you gonna act upon it? How are you gonna finally take your position in the market? Now that is the thing. That is the thing where your 90% traded fail kind of statistics, they come out on those levels, guys. And look, trading is not a rocket science, alright? Trading is not complicated. Trading is complicated if you go ahead and over trade these markets. Trading is complicated if you trade the markets when the RSI is below 60, guys. Okay. If you trade this market in a bullish mindset when the RSI is below 60, that is when you're going to lose a lot of money in the chop, guys. This is as simple. Have fucking patience, alright? Have patience. Calm down. Let the RSI get above 60, then you can FOMO back into any position or something like that. Alright? I mean, then you can talk about some further upside move, testing these price points here. Until then, not much to talk about Ethereum. Again, I spoke for more than half an hour on Ether, guys. ETH against BTC. Now, this one being the most choppiest chart of all time. And I have most of my alerts on ETH BTC, guys, as I'm not interested on ETH USD anymore. ETH BTC has a lot of risk to reward opportunities. That's why alt season, if it comes, is gonna come with a massive outburst, right? So guys, I was talking about the fact that the 3 million Satoshi is certainly a very key significant level on Ethereum, and as far as you're maintaining these price points right here, this is aligning perfectly with this stagnating support coming in all the way at 13 Jan. Now it did violate this price point right here. Now this was quite a significant one, as Bitcoin was really shooting above its all-time highs. This was supposed to happen, guys. This was really supposed to happen. Bitcoin shooting above all-time high. Why the fuck would you stay on Ether BTC if BTC is going above all-time highs? So this was simple overreaction to the downside on ETH BTC. Now this is irrelevant. Let's just delete this one, okay? Just forget this one right here. You are aligning perfectly with this dilating support. Or if you're not, guys, this is what I'm talking about, okay? Fucking crazy amount of risk reward opportunity right here on ETH BTC, guys. You go for a long position, even on these levels, you get stopped out below these price points right here. You're targeting these levels. Your R&R is a fucking 7.3, okay? With your BTC, guys. If you do have some BTC lying around, the best opinion would be shifting into Ethereum, right? Okay, the RSI is certainly not above 60. RSI is not above 60. That means that it's going to consolidate. It's going to take a lot of time here. Do not FOMO into Ethereum, as this ETH BTC, as well as there is no volume. It could start picking up. We could be looking at some bear. Oh my god! How can I just miss out on this one right here? We could be looking at a potential bear cross right here, guys, on daily schedule. Watch for this one to pick up, guys. I think bulls are gonna go for that. Go for this attempt, as most of the times these are your perfect risk to reward opportunities. If you do close out on this one right here, it's gonna get sell. It's gonna get a sell indicator for most of the algos as well. Okay, guys, I think I'm going into the zone where I'm at loss of my words, and I really hope you followed this video all the way to this point, guys. If you did, guys, immense amount of gratitude for you. Immense amount of gratitude, because I just checked out the statistics yesterday from YouTube Studio. The audience retention for this content is pretty low, guys. I do have to work on so many things to make content look a little more interesting, I guess. Something like Altcoin Daily, something like Sheldon Evans as well. I mean, a lot of good content creators in this space, guys. But I think I took more of a Benjamin Cohen into the crypto-verse kind of approach for these price actions, for these analyses as well. As Benjamin Cohen is I think he's one of the best analysts out there in the crypto space, guys. crazy amount of analysis coming from Benjamin Cohen into the cryptoverse, guys. I mean, crazy channel. You should follow him. Guys. Okay, all right. People at the moon, Crypto, DaVinci J15. I mean, these are good people, but I think they're more of commercial guys. I mean, very commercial. Bitcoin did this exactly as I predicted. Guys, come on, man. Are you fucking kidding? Okay, I should not get into that soon, I guess. Alright, guys, I think I'm going to be winding up this video right here. Do share this video if you do like the content, and I'm going to be catching you guys pretty soon tomorrow. Bye for now.